Good morning, students. Today we continue our fifth chapter inside the atom. Inside the atom. Now we want to see Thomson's plum pudding model of atom. Thomson's plum pudding model of atom. For this, given one experiment. See, a bundi laddu is found to have an internal structure. It is found by sticking smaller particles, the bundis, to each other. However, the solid ball, broadly speaking, does not have any internal structure. All of you know that bundi laddu. When you press this bundi laddu and you say, when you observe this inside the bundi laddu, this particles sticking to each other. You see the small particles are sticking to each other. Bundis small particles are sticking to each other. Then when you taking a solid ball, this solid ball have not have any internal structure. Solid ball not have any internal structure. Like that, see, the atom as described by Dalton turns out to be a hard solid sphere with no internal structure. According to Dalton, like that solid ball, atom also have the solid structure. Like that solid ball, it have not internal structure. Understood? According to Dalton, like that solid ball, atom also have the solid structure which have not internal structure. According to Dalton's atomic theory, the mass is distributed uniformly in an atom. He also stated that according to his atomic theory, according to Dalton's atomic theory, mass in an atom is uniformly distributed. Mass in an atom is uniformly distributed, and because of that, in an atom, mass of the atom is uniformly distributed, and the scientist J.J. Thomson demonstrated experimentally that the negatively charged particles inside an atom have a mass 1800 times less than the hydrogen atom. Scientist J.J. Thomson demonstrated by experiment that negatively charged particle in an atom, negatively charged particle means electron, have a mass 1800 times less than hydrogen atom. Have the 1800 times less than hydrogen atom. And these particles named as a electron. These negatively particles named as a electron by J.J. Thomson. And common substances are usually electrically neutral. He also stated that common substances are usually neutral, electrically neutral. Obviously, the molecules of the substance and the atom which combine chemically to form molecules are electrically neutral. If the common substances have the neutral, means there are negatively charged particles and the positively charged protons. Because of that, common substances are neutral, and by their substances, when these atoms are combined chemically, when the atoms of that substances combines chemically and they form molecules, these molecules are also electrically neutral. Because of that, when these atoms of the substances, neutral substances, combines chemically and form a molecule, this molecule is obviously neutral, electrically neutral. Then how is an atom electrically neutral in spite of having negatively charged electrons in it? Thomson overcome the difficulty by putting forth the plum pudding plum pudding model of atomic structure. How this atom is electrically neutral, ये देखने के लिए थॉमसन ने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया. उसने एक मॉडल सामने रखा, थॉमसन्स प्लम पडिंग मॉडल ऑफ एटम. Thomson's plum pudding model of atom. Then what is this model? We see that the plum pudding model of atom put forth by Thomson in the year 1904. In the year 1904 is the first model of atomic structure. This is the first model of atomic structure. According to this model, the positive charge is distributed throughout the atom and the negatively charged electrons are embedded in it. In 1904, Thomson put forth plum pudding model of atom, and this is the first model of the atomic structure. According to him, the positively charged particles distributed throughout the atom, and negatively charged electrons are also embedded in it. And the distributed positive charge is balanced by the negatively charged. Means negatively distributed जो protons positively charged particles which are distributed in the throughout the atom, which are also balanced by the negatively charged particles which are embedded in it, and therefore this becomes neutral. This becomes electrically न्यूट्रल. मीन्स एटम में जितने पॉजिटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उतने ही नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स उसमें रहते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर बैलेंस्ड बाय ईच अदर, एंड सो दिस एटम हैव द नेगेटिवली सो दिस एटम हैव इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. दिस एटम हैव इलेक्ट्रिकली न्यूट्रल. Now we want to see Rutherford's nuclear model of atom. Rutherford's nuclear model of atom in 1911. Rutherford studied the inside of an atom by his celebrated scattering experiment and put forth the nuclear model of atom in the 1911. After the J.J. Thomson, Rutherford also put forth his model of nuclear atom, and in 1911 by the experiment of scattering experiment. And what he does here, Rutherford took a very thin gold foil about 10 millimeter and bombarded it with positively charged alpha particles emitted by a radioactive element. रुदरफोर्ड ने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया ये सब देखने के लिए. उसने क्या किया, एक थीन गोल्ड फॉइल ली, नियर अबाउट 10 mm थिकनेस की एक थीन गोल्ड फॉइल ली, और उसके ऊपर पॉजिटिवली चार्ज अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का बम्बार्डिंग किया. पॉजिटिवली चार्ज अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का बम्बार्डिंग किया विच बाय द रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स लाइक यूरेनियम, थोरियम, ये पता है तुम्हें रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट्स, इसका बम्बार्डिंग किया. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही ऑब्जर्व the path of alpha particles by means of fluorescent screen around the gold foil. वो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का गोल्ड फाइल पे बम्बार्डिंग करके उन्होंने क्या किया, ऑब्जर्व किया कि वो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स कौन से पाथ में जा रहे हैं. उस एक थीन स्क्रीन वो गोल्ड फाइल के सामने रख के उसने वो ऑब्जर्व किया. And he observed that it was accepted that the alpha particles would be reflected from the gold foil if the positively charged mass were evenly distributed inside the atoms. And unexpectedly, most of the alpha particles went straight through the foil. A small number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through their small angle. A still smaller number of alpha particles get deflected through a larger angle, and subsequently one alpha particle out of 20,000 bounce back in the direction opposite to the original path. What happens? See, when he bombarding alpha particles of the radioactive elements on the gold foil, he observed the path of alpha particles, and he accepted that uh, the alpha particles would be reflected from the gold foil. उसने वो जब बम्बार्डिंग किया तो उस अल्फा पार्टिकल्स का वो गोल्ड फाइल पे उसको ऐसी आशा था कि वो जो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स उस पर बम्बार्ड हो रहे गोल्ड फाइल पे वो फिर से रिफ्लेक्ट होके बैक आएंगे. बट अनएक्सेप्टेडली ऐसा नहीं हुआ. क्या हुआ फिर? मोस्ट ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल्स वेंट स्ट्रेट थ्रू द फॉइल. बहुत सारे अल्फा पार्टिकल्स वो गोल्ड फाइल के आर पार गए और only smaller number of alpha particles get deflected from the original path through a small angle. बहुत सारे अल्फा पार्टिकल्स और गोल्ड फाइल के आर पार गए और so small number of alpha particles are deflected by a small angle to its original path, and only one alpha particle out of 20,000 is bounced back in the direction of its original path. उसने ऐसी आशा की थी कि उस जो जितने भी सारे अल्फा पार्टिकल्स वो गोल्ड फाइल पे बम्बार्डिंग हो रहे वो सब गोल्ड फाइल पे रिफ्लेक्ट होके बैक आएंगे. बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. अनएक्सेप्टेडली ऐसा नहीं हुआ. जितने भी वो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स थे वो उसमें से बहुत सारे अल्फा पार्टिकल्स वो गोल्ड फाइल के आर पार गए और ओनली स्मॉलर नंबर ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर डिफ्लेक्टेड टू from the original path in the small angle, and only one alpha particle out of 20,000 is bounced back in the direction opposite to the original path. Only one alpha particle is bounced back in the direction to the opposite path. तुम्हें ए रुदरफोर्ड का बम्बार्डिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट तुम्हें 5.4 फिगर में दिखाया है. ये तुम लोग ऑब्जर्व करो. देन सी द लार्ज नंबर ऑफ द अल्फा पार्टिकल्स दैट वेंट स्ट्रेट थ्रू द फॉइल इंडिकेट्स दैट देयर वाज नो ऑब्स्टेकल इन देयर पाथ. What he concluded after observation, he concluded that the number of the alpha particles which are went straight through the foil means there is no obstacle in the atom in their path. It means that there must be mainly an empty space inside the atoms in the solid gold foil. और उसका मीनिंग क्या है? जब वो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स वो गोल्ड फाइल के आर पार जाते हैं मीन्स देयर इज नो ऑब्स्टेकल इन देयर पाथ, एंड इट मीन्स दैट देयर इज अ empty space inside the atom. There is a empty space inside the atom in the solid gold foil. The smaller number of alpha particles that get deflected through a small angle, a small or big angle, must have faced an obstacle in their path. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत alpha particles are get deflected in a small or big angle, it means that there is a they have the face obstacle in their path. जो भी तो स्मॉल नंबर में जो अल्फा पार्टिकल्स डिफ्लेक्टेड हो गए थे इन स्मॉल एंगल, इट मीन्स दैट ही कंक्लूडेड फ्रॉम दैट इट मीन्स दे हैव द ऑब्स्टेकल्स इन देयर पाथ. It means that the positively charged and heavy part causing obstruction would be in the center of the atom. He also concluded that if these smaller number of particles are coming back, means are deflected, means they have the obstacle in their path, it means that the positively charged and heavy part causing obstruction would be in the center. They have the obstruction would be in the positively charged particles would be in the obstruction in the center of the atom, in the center of the atom. And from this Rutherford put forth a nuclear model of the atom as follows. From this all the conclusion, Rutherford also have the nuclear model of the Rutherford put forth the nuclear model of the atom as follows. First point, there is a positively charged nucleus at the center of an atom. First, what he concluded from the scattering experiment, there is a positively charged nucleus at the center. There is a positively charged nucleus at the center. Second, almost the entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. एटम का जो एंटायर मास है, जो पूरा मास है, वो सेंटर में ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट हो गया. एटम के सेंटर में ही, न्यूक्लियस में ही कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड हो गया है. थर्ड, निगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स कॉल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. जो निगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स है वो एटम में दे आर रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस, मीन्स दे आर इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व अराउंड द न्यूक्लियस. The total negative charge on all the electron is equal to the positively charge on the nucleus. जितना इलेक्ट्रॉन का टोटल नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज ऑन द न्यूक्लियस. टोटल negatively charged on the electron is equal to the positively charged on the nucleus. As the opposite charges are balanced, the atom is electrically neutral, and they are balanced by these negatively charged electrons and positively charged particles are balanced by each other, and therefore atom is electrically neutral. Balance the atom, and therefore it is electrically neutral. There is an empty space between the revolving electron and the atomic nucleus. There is an empty space between the revolving electron and the atomic nucleus. Like that, Rutherford put forth his nuclear atomic model. Now, take some questions. Describe, first question ले लो. Describe Thomson's plum pudding model of atom. Describe Thomson's plum pudding model of atom. Second question. Describe Rutherford's nuclear atomic model by his scattering experiment. Describe Rutherford's nuclear atomic model by his scattering experiment. Here we stop. You have completed your homework and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you.